best brother in the world. Yeah, the foundation opens exactly at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Now I just have to tidy up some ends before everything, yeah. I hope to see you there. Alright, thank you. Talk later. Please, could you drop me off at home? Also, I have an interview in less than 30 minutes.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma, welcome.
Thank you.
Ma, can I get your food ready?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay, ma. Yes.
Good day, mommy. How are my brother and sister-in-laws over there?
Oh, they're good.
I actually just spoke to him some days ago.
You two can't go a day without talking to one another. Old habits never die.
Mommy, you know that is my brother and I love him so much. That's my best friend you're talking about, in fact. So, how are you doing, mommy?
Not bad. Just that it's too cold now in the US. Don't be surprised if you see me at your doorstep soon.
Is it that bad?
I'm just saying. So, we are commissioning your foundation tomorrow.
Yes, and I would have loved for you and my brother to be here with me, but I know you all wish me the best.
Of course we do. And I know you will do well. We love you so much.
Love you too, Mama. Bye.
Bye, love. Take care of yourself.
Okay. Oh, and I'll be expecting some visitors soon.
Okay, ma.
Just inform me when they get here.
Okay, ma. No problem. So, ma'am, as we all know, you're Jesse, the young but very successful artist. Thanks for having us.
I've been expecting you.
Thank you, ma'am. And congratulations on your newly found project. It's indeed for a beautiful cause, I tell you.
Thank you.
Right. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the reason why we're here. Sound, you good? Great. So we are aware that you're a very successful artist. You're known beyond Africa. You've had original groups and even traveling exhibitions. Wow. At a very young age of 22. But you're doing something very different now, entirely different. We understand you're commissioning a project tomorrow, a foundation built to encourage children with autism. Can you please shed more light on this? How did you get here? What inspired you to do this? What are your reasons, please?
My journey,
All right.
it's a really, really long story. And I know that my story would inspire lots of people.
Right. Very correct. It's indeed going to inspire younger people.
Yes, I will tell my story.
Great.
Okay, let's go. Solve the equation. Now 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay, good. So 2x is equals to... Stop that! How many times have I told you that you shouldn't mock anyone that comes up to this board to solve an equation? It's okay. Yeah? So, you were solving it, you were getting it. So why did you change it? So you're going to try again, okay? Whenever you come up to solve anything on the board, solve what's on your mind, okay? Are we going to go again? Let's go. Nobody should laugh. Go. So we say 6 minus 2. Let's go, you can do it. Is equals to 4. So 2x is equals to what? Okay. So 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. So what is x? X is equals to 2. A round of applause for Jessie Nachimdi. Clap for her. A round of applause for her. That's it. So it wasn't that hard, was it? All right. Another round of applause for her. Everybody clap. Good. So it's almost break time. So you can go and have your seat. So do you guys all understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.
What are you doing here? Get up, we want to play.
Exactly.
Stand up. Stand up. I'm not going to wait for you. Be going.
Cow shoes even look at a witch. Let's leave her. What were we even talking about? I almost even got 2. See.
Jessie Nachimdi, is everything okay? You know you're not supposed to be in class during break time. Are you sure you're okay? You sure? Okay then, you should be outside playing with your friends. Huh? All right, up you go.
Give it back! Give it back! Let's see what we have here.
Don't! Just fried plantain and eggs. No beef, no chicken, no nothing. Yuck. Maybe that's why you're so retarded. No one should eat this. Let's go.
Nah.
Oh, Jesse, you're back. How was school?
Good.
Don't you ever play in school? Your uniform is always so clean. Anyways, go inside and freshen up, then come out and have your lunch.
Mom?
She's working late.
Jesse Nachimdi, come here, please.
Sir, work is over and I've washed my hands. Look, they're clean.
Well, I know your hands are clean, and I know that you don't play too much, so there's no way your hands will be dirty. Why is it that you don't like mingling with your classmates? Is something wrong? Is anyone troubling you?
No, sir, I'm fine.
Are you sure? No, I don't think you're fine, because you just hesitated to answer. If you were fine, you would not hesitate to answer. Jesse. Okay. Go and call your classmates for me.
Sir, I'm fine.
If you don't call them, I'll call them by myself. Go and call them.
Sir, nobody bullies Jezina in this class. I even gave her my umbrella one time because it was raining and I had a raincoat.
Jesse, is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go to your seat.
Sir, I don't know why she likes being alone. I tried to be her friend, all to no avail. I just think she likes her own company best.
Okay. Okay then, and go back to your seat. So Jesse, you're basically comfortable with being alone,
Yes, sir.
and you're sure you're not facing any challenge in this class or in the school in any way.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
What are you doing here? Did you try to report us to the teacher? Well, you better not try it. You know what my father can do to your wretched mother.
Sir, you asked to see me.
Oh yes, Jazzy, I did. Think I. Okay. Yes, I have a letter for your mother. Okay, make sure you give it to her. Do you understand? All right, put it in your bag.
Okay, sir.
Put it in your bag so you don't misplace it. All right, that's good.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
You're back. What is this again? Oh my God. Another one of these you people's letters. Eh? I hope it's not the same content. Letter. I said it. They need my attention in your school. Why will I pay this school? Why will I pay them so heavily to take care of you? And yet every minute they'll be calling for my attention. Eh? The school is so expensive. It's so difficult to get the fees. And yet the work that I'm supposed to do to get the fees, they want me to leave my work and to be coming to babysit you. Are you a baby? Eh? I didn't know that when you were a toddler. Even though your father did not help me, he did not lift a finger to help me. And then he left. He left. Someone should at least applaud my efforts. I'm just stressed. Go and call your brother for me, please. It's rubbish. Every minute of the day. What is it? You don't want to kill me?
Mom.
Oh yeah, Buchi, please take this letter. Read it. Find out what it is they want in that school. Go there and talk to whoever needs to be talked to. I don't even know why they're just stressing me. When you finish talking to them, you come and tell me what it is.
Okay, Mom.
Every minute they need my attention. They should just cut my meat and eat it and drink my blood.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Go inside. I'm freshen up and come on here.
There she is, sitting like the dog she is.
A dog with rabies. Ruff, ruff.
Look at the food. She has even finished it. It looks like a hungry dog's food.
Should be just like that.
You know better than to tell our parents or teachers about this. My father is a top military officer and I'm his only child. And it can worsen your miserable mother's situation. So think about that. Let's go.
I've been broken, I've been bruised by this little light of mine. Gonna make it shine through the pain, through the fear, and the endless fight. I wish tell the world shine. Days and nights in day.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Uchi, what brings you here?
I'm here regarding the invite for my mother.
I asked to see a parent at least, not you. Why should we send you?
She said to get any information you have from her.
No, that's not the same. Listen, Jason Nachimdi is a special child. We also have someone like that in the other class. And his parents always come to school to check up on him. But even your mom, whenever she gets an invite, she doesn't acknowledge it. Why is that?
Oh, sir, you know, she's a nurse and sometimes she works late. So in the daytime, she sleeps.
Well, that's not excuse enough. But what can I do? I understand that Jason Achimdi is autistic, okay? And I myself have undergone special training for children like that, yeah? But I think something is wrong. I think something is going on.
Please, what, sir?
I don't know. That's why I asked to see a parent at least. She's a bit more reclusive than children with the same condition. I've asked her and I've also asked her classmates, but she seems pretty happy here. That's why I wanted to find out if it was coming from somewhere else.
No, she's more open with me at home.
Really? And what's going on here? I mean, she doesn't have any friends in this class. Even when I try to encourage her, she still gets scared of answering questions. I've tried to ask her and even her classmates, but no one knows anything about it.
Okay, I'll tell my mom, sir.
All right, and please let her know that she should, create time to see me. I would really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Izzy? How are you? Why are you alone? Why not playing with your friends? Look, Daisy, is anyone bothering you? Is anyone bullying you? Then what's wrong? Your teacher said ever since you joined his class, your grades have dropped. Look, if something is wrong, you tell me, okay? I love you.
Love it, son.
I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams and burn to win. No matter what, I will shine. I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams and burn to win. No matter what, I will shine. I'll tell the world I will shine. Days in a chimney, days in a chimney. I'll tell the world I will shine. I've been broken, I've been bruised by this little light of mine. Gonna make it shine through the pain, through the fear and the endless fight. I wish I just in a chimney, just in a chimney.
Jesse. Jesse, wake up. Come on, take your bath. You're almost late for school. Jesse. Jesse, your body is hot.
My head hurts too.
We have to get you to the hospital. Where's Mom? She's not back yet. Okay, wait. Let me get help to take you to the hospital. Mom, I'm so glad you're back. Mom, Jessie is sick. She's running temperature.
What? Since when?
I just noticed it this morning.
Did she eat last night?
Yes.
Dad's whole life hasn't been in school for 2 days. I hope it's what I'm thinking.
And what could that be?
That she changed schools. This school is not for riffraffs like her, and I don't know how her mother could afford it.
Could it be they can't pay the school fees anymore? Possibly so.
I really hope so. I really hope so. Huh. Good riddance. That would be good. Ah. It's better they don't come.
Wow. Thank God.
Mom, I'm so glad Jesse's body temperature has gone down. I was so worried that even after all the treatments, it refused to reduce.
But something still worries me. How in heaven's name did she get typhoid? We boil and purify our water in this house. We do not eat out. Or don't you boil water again?
I do.
So how did she get it? See how stubborn the typhoid was. The doctor said if we hadn't brought her when we did, it would have been a different case.
How are you?
I know I'm on duty. Now what? I'm coming. Gosh. These people don't even have human sympathy. Look, I have to get to work. Take care of your sister.
Okay.
Buchi, thank you. I don't know how I would have coped without you. Especially since your father left and your sister was diagnosed with autism. God bless you.
Amen.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, good morning. Guys, look who's back. What do we say to our student who was sick and is finally back? Yes, welcome back, Justin HMD. We've all missed you, and I'm happy to know that you're okay now. You're okay now, right? All right. So, guys, before she came in, we have mathematics, right?
Justin Achimbi. What are you doing here all alone?
I'm good, sir.
Justin Achimbi. Why do you like being all alone? Why don't you like to play with your classmates? Alright, come. Come. Come on. Let me take you to the field to play with your classmates. Come. Don't tell me you are shy because your brother Buchi said you used to play very well at home. So let's go. You don't want to go? Why not? Is there a problem? You just don't want to go. Listen, you have to learn how to mingle with people. It's going to help you in the future. Okay? No man is an island. Do you understand me? Jesse, do you understand me? You're sure you don't want to go and play with your friends?
I'm good.
I haven't seen that dumb Rishaf in a while. Where does she disappear to during break times? I miss toying with her.
Yeah, I've noticed she disappears during break time before we can even get to her.
Tricks, eh? I'll find her. I'll be on the lookout tomorrow.
What are we paying for? What are we paying for again? Eh? Transformer. What are we paying for? Is that our responsibility? Should tenants be contributing for a new transformer? Shouldn't that be the job of the electricity company? I don't care if I'm the only one complaining. I have responsibilities. This economy is hard enough already. Stop stressing me. My friend told us enough. I'm tired.
All right, listen to this announcement, students. We have a state competition. Yes, and this time it's on arts. So as we are accustomed in this school, every student has to submit their artwork, and the school will have to put up a panel to select the best out of the best. Okay? And the best artwork is going to qualify for the competition. Please, don't get help from your parents at home. Do you know what I mean? Don't tell mommy or daddy to help you to do your paintings. Why? Because if you get selected, you're going to have to paint in front of the judges. And will mommy and daddy come and help you paint in front of the judges?
No, sir.
Exactly. Thank you. So make sure you do your artwork yourself. Okay? So let's get ready for that, okay? All right. So I hope you all did your homeworks.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm going to mark that later.
Jesse, come and eat. Jesse, you're finished.
Please.
Wow! This is amazing.
Is it good enough to be selected for the competition?
Of course. You know what? I still have some little pocket money left. I'm going to frame it for you.
Really?
Yes. Jesse, this is amazing. Wow.
Just Nachimdi, what are you trying to say? I asked you to submit your assignment. Where is your assignment?
I can't find my bag.
What do you mean by you can't find your bag? You can't find your bag? Where did you keep your bag? Let's go and look for your bag. What do you mean that you can't find your bag? Everyone has submitted their assignments and you're telling me you can't find your bag. What kind of excuse is that?
You lost your bag with all your books in it. Do you know how expensive those things are? You know that I'm the only one catering for you. And yet, you decided to throw them away. I know. You threw them away on purpose so that I will get you new ones. Because I don't see how you lose that at your age. You don't even care. You don't care that I'm the only parent bending over backwards to take care of you. You don't care all those years I spent raising you. All those years you couldn't talk and I poured all my attention on you. That was when your father started cheating. And then he left. Maybe if I hadn't spent all that time on you, my husband would still be with me. It's because of you. You.
This is exceptionally great. Are you sure no one helped you to do this? Are you serious? Are you sure? You know what? Tell your brother that I want to see him. Okay? Wow. Wait, so you mean no one helped Jess in her chimney? I mean, this actually looks like you did it yourself.
No, sir. Jessie was the one who did it.
Wow. Wow, but where does she get the inspiration to do this thing? Because from the looks of things, this looks like a professional work.
I really do not know. It's a mystery to us all. You need to see her when she's painting. She loves it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my God. Wow. Well, it's actually very nice to learn what she loves doing. No, this is. Are you serious? Jessie Nachimdi. Oh, why are you crying? What is it?
I can't find my bag and my artwork is inside.
Your artwork is inside your bag?
Yes.
Do you remember where you kept your bag?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't find it there? Don't worry, I'll call for your classmates. We're going to find the bag, okay? Stop crying, it's okay. Stop crying. Okay? Stop crying, it's okay. Jessie Nachimdi has been searching for her bag for hours now. Has any of you seen her bag that mysteriously disappeared into thin air? Has anyone seen her bag?
No, sir.
I want that bag found before break is over today. Do you all understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, get to work. Jessie Nachimdi, we'll find your bag, okay? All right, get to work.
Our new teacher's favorite.
So you noticed that thing?
Yes, so nobody should look for her bag. Why won't she lose it when she's daft? She probably doesn't know where she kept it.
Should we lie to the teacher that we didn't find it?
Definitely. Let's go to the back of the school. So the teachers can find us. Let's go.
Jessie, are you okay?
Don't find my artwork.
Jessie, stop crying. We'll find it, okay? Where could it be?
Jessie Nachimdi, wrap it up. I said wrap it up. Since I got back this evening, when, what is it? I already have a migraine from a long day at work. Don't add to it.
But Mom, her artwork went missing.
I said wrap it up, please. What is this? Am I the first single mother on planet Earth? I don't even have the luxury of breathing space to think about how to clear outstanding bills. What's artwork is that? Eh?
Sorry.
What is it?
So, I happen to have found Jessina Chimdi's bag and her artwork intact. When I was leaving the school yesterday, I asked the security men to search the entire school in search of that bag. And they found it. And to my greatest surprise, someone dumped it in the refuge dump. I always teach you guys about love and mutual respect in this school. And it saddens me that someone actually did that to a student of ours, your classmate. Now I'm going to ask the right questions, and I expect you to give me the right answers. And while I ask, I don't want you communicating with each other. Is that understood? Did you trash Jessina Chimdi's bag? Did you see who did it? Are you sure? Very sure. Did you trash Jessina Chimdi's bag? Are you sure? Did you trash Jessina Chimdi's bag?
So no, I would never do that to anyone. You always teach us to spread love, and that's what I'm doing.
I have a hard talk.
Wait, what? Sit down. How? Where?
My teacher found it.
Is it still in good condition and did he make it for the entry?
Yes.
Yes! Give me 5.
What's the celebration about?
Jesse's painting got missing, but her teacher found it.
Which painting is that one? Fine art.
Yes, but it's for the state competition.
State competition. This one. Jesse. This one that is always on serious with everything. That will be throwing away her books and bags all over this room. It's who you people think will be serious with this. I beg, please get me water to drink.
So guys, guess what? The artworks have been screened and we have a winner. I know you guys are excited. Now the student whose artwork would represent the school at the state competition is, drum rolls, Jessina Chimdi. What's wrong with you all? I thought I taught you guys about sportsmanship. I know everyone wants to win, but come on. You should be proud that the winner is from our class. Do you understand me? Now stand up and put your hands together for Jessina Chimdi. Let's go, let's go. Up. Everybody get up. Congratulations. You're not clapping, clap. That's more like it. Be happy for her.
Let's see who can bring the higher. Seems like she's happy these days. I dislike her so much. Maybe because of the placement that I was choosing, her painting that I was choosing. She shouldn't win the competition. I'll just die. Luchi, why did you dislike her so much? Is it that serious? Yes, it's very serious. Can't you see? She doesn't belong here. She's so different from everyone else. Wait. Why are you asking me this question?
No. Sorry.
She's so annoying.
Alright guys, today on Creative Arts, we're going to be checking on your acting prowess. Yes, last week I had you act on the profession you'd like to pursue in future. But today, you're going to be acting like your mother and your father. You are free to pick. Okay? So, who's going to open the floor for us? Okay. Jesna Chimdi. You're the only one not putting your hands up. I don't know why, but I think we should start with you. Okay? So come and open the floor for us. Put your hands together for Jesna Chimdi. All right. Portray either your mother or your father. Do you need anything?
A patient.
A patient? Oh wow, that's a new one. How about I volunteer myself? Okay. Wow, put your hands together for Jason Achimbi. Okay, I'm guessing you portrayed a nurse. That is very, very brilliant. All right, you can go back to your seat, Jessie. A round of applause for her. Yes. So, did you guys see that? Great. So, who's coming up next? Okay, guys. So, who is next? Let's go with Oluchi.
Okay.
So you have to portray either your mom or dad. Okay, I'm guessing that's your mom. Can you act as your dad?
Why did it take you so long to answer the door? Eh? I'm sorry, but I opened it immediately. Why? Oh, so you're talking back at me now? No. Shut up. Hey, shut up.
Okay. Thank you. Again. Put your hands together for her. Who's next? Okay! Guess what? I have great news. Guess what? A noble artist in my class, my own class, in the name of Jessie Nachimdi, went for a state competition and her artwork won the competition. Put your hands together for Jessie Nachimdi.
What?
Yes. Let us please step out for your standing ovation. Yes, please accompany that with a round of applause too. You did great. Congratulations. Everyone was shocked at your artwork. They didn't believe it was coming from someone your age. So the principal has asked me to invite you to his office for a cup of tea. We're so proud of you, Jessie Nachimbi. We are so proud. No one expected this. So, are you going to come with me for the cup of tea? All right, guys. The star girl needs to have her tea. Wow, amazing! Superstar! Superstar!
You mean all this has been happening here?
Yes, Mom. Jessie beats everyone in her school. She also went on to beat other schools in the state.
This, my Jessie. Come here. I am so proud of you.
Wait, Mom.
What's this?
She's trying to show you where it all started from. All her paintings and drawings.
My goodness. You painted these? These look like the work of a professional. Are you sure you didn't do it for her?
No, Mom. If I was the one who did it, I'll be flaunting it around.
It's like these drawings, it's almost like they're speaking to me. These are beautiful. Where did you learn to paint like this? I can't even draw a ball.
Juma, come here, please. Juma, come here, I need you.
So when were you going to tell me the truth?
What are you talking about? And why are you talking to me like that? Don't you know your place?
Your father isn't even a military man. He's just a worldly trader, and you have been threatening us all with your lies.
How did you find out about that?
How do you think we wouldn't find out about it? Why do you have to lie at such young age to gain power? Power that you even abuse. I'm ashamed to call you my friend.
Jessie.
I owe you a big apology. I was badly influenced. I am ashamed of the way I treated you in class. I'm even ashamed of the things I did to you.
It's okay, don't apologize.
You don't understand. My action would have cost you this win. I was the one on which you sent to throw your painting away.
It's fine, everything still worked out good.
You mean you forgive me? Can I help you?
What are you doing here?
Still hating.
No matter what you do, you're still a riffraff from the street. Sure, my father may not be a military officer, but he's still wealthy. And you may not know it.
That's all you have to boast about.
So you're talking back. Not because you want some silly painting.
One advice for you is that try to
drop that hate and maybe just embrace more love. Trust me, to make you feel better.
Okay, Jesse, please. Tell your mom that I asked you to tell her to come to school by herself this time. Because it's very important that she comes to this school. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
All right, goodbye. I really hope she can come to this school by herself. If not, I'll have to find my way to her house. Because I have no other choice.
What's wrong?
My teacher said he wants to see mom. And it's important and it has to be her. It's about my art.
And you're worried she might not go. Let's hope she goes. Don't worry, okay?
Ma, I had to find your address so that I could visit because I feel like at this point it is highly needed.
At this point?
Yes, Ma.
Is everything all right with Jesse?
We found out Jesse was being bullied at our school and she was being threatened not to say anything about it. And her innocent mind didn't say anything about it just to protect you.
Protect me? How so?
A student in her class lied to her about her father being a military man and that the father would deal with you if Jesse Nachimdi doesn't do as she's told.
What sort of child is that? At such a young age?
Ma, we actually recollected that she was only emulating her father who would bully her mother and only give the child love, and her mother had no say in it. But we already handled it, Ma. It's been solved.
That's why I have faith in your school.
Yes, Ma. Sorry, Ma. The second reason why I visited was to let you know that a renowned artist noticed your daughter's talent in art at the state competition, and he asked us to ask you to allow her showcase her talent to everyone, to the world.
My tiny Jesse, to compete with talents all over. But why stress her like this? She's already lagging behind in her academics because she's autistic.
Ma, autism has nothing to do with her performance. Professionals have told you over and over.
Then why is she lagging behind?
Ma, we've already solved it. I told you, bullying. Bullying can mess with a kid's mindset. Bullying can mess with it. And a lot of kids have become suicidal about it. Which is why it should be fought every way.
I hope I don't have to buy anything for this competition. No?
Ma, you have to just buy painting materials and data plans so that whenever Jesse Nachimdi is painting, you can go live so that they can be watching. That way it can go, viral.
I'm a single mother. And look, all these expenses, every single penny, it counts.
Prize money is $50,000.
It's again.
$55,000.
I almost swallowed my tongue just now.
Oh, sorry, Ma. $50,000, Ma.
Hey! Feeling hot. Oh! But she might still not win.
Ma, a renowned... Did you hear what I said before? A renowned artist noticed the potential in your daughter. Who are we to doubt? $50,000 in dollars.
Aye, that mouth is giving me a headache.
I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish Jason Chimdi, Jason Chimdi. Tell the world I wish tell the world I wish
Ma, we've submitted all of Jessina Chimdi's artwork for the talent hunt, and even the recordings of her painting them were so beautiful.
Honestly, at this point, I don't even care about the talent hunt anymore. She's now so lively, so cheerful. It's been a while I saw her like this. I'm so happy. I didn't know bullying could cause so much depression.
I always knew something was wrong. I just had to get the solution for it.
Oh, thank God that's all over. I'm just so glad, and I've seen how happy this painting makes her. I'm going to encourage her to continue with it.
Yes, ma. That's so beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Ihunanya Chukwu baruba, ihunanya obaruba, ihunanya obaruba, ihunanya oya wen baruba, obi ihunanya kojiri biaduwa. Praise the Lord. Jessina Chimdi, your name has spoken for itself. Your God is truly alive. $50,000. Where would I have dreamt of seeing such an amount of money? I am sorry for all the times you felt unloved and alone. I was frustrated by your father. I didn't plan to become a single mother. It was thrust upon me when he left me, and I took out the frustration on you. Now I know better. If I'd paid more attention to you, I would have known you were being bullied, and that was why you weren't doing well in school. No. Please forgive me. I love you. I loved you even before I gave birth to you. You two are my life. You are my heart.
Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I will shine. I've been broken, I've been bruised by this little light of mine. Gonna make it shine through the pain, through the fear, and the endless fight. I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney.
Wow. Wow. Wow, what a story. Who would have thought? I mean, everyone was just looking at you as this 22-year-old lady who was lucky to have made it early in life. Majority didn't know what you've passed through. I mean, this is highly inspirational. Okay, ma'am, so we have to take our leave. I'm sure you have a lot of things to do in preparations for tomorrow's event. And I equally will be heading back to the office. We need to edit and publish this news as we've discussed. Right?
Of course.
Yes, ma'am.
It was great having you here.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. The pleasure's mine.
Through the pain, through the fear, and the endless fight, I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I will shine. I've been broken, I've been bruised by this little light of mine. Gonna make it shine through the pain, through the fear, and the endless fight. I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I will shine. I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I will shine. I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I will shine. I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I will shine. I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I will shine. Joy is in our chimney. Joy chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I. Joy is in our chimney. Joy is in our chimney. Tell the world I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams. I'm born to win, no matter what. Oh, I wish I will rise above the stars. I'll chase my dreams.